Start with tequilas. Boom.
All right, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Burly Bartender. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. All right, so we're making another big batch. This time it's gonna be the Margarita. So we're gonna have 2 bottles of your finest Montezuma. We're gonna crack that open real quick. We got a bottle of triple sec. And then we got the sour mix, right? So we're gonna start with tequilas. Boom. Trash it real quick, and we back to it. Just like that, party batch, done.